Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this quick Excel tutorial, I'll show you how to apply a strike-through effect to text or numbers in your spreadsheet. This is a handy way to mark items as complete while still being able to see them. Let's get started. Step 1. Why use strike-through? Here I have an employee list with some accounting information, and on the right-hand side, I've added a list of tasks I need to complete. When I finish a task, I'd like to mark it as done. Strike-through is perfect for this. It crosses out the text or numbers, but doesn't delete them. Of course, there are other ways to track tasks, like using checkboxes. If you want to learn that method, check out my other tutorials. But in this video, we'll stick to strike-through. Step 2. The shortcut. If you look on the Home tab, you won't see a strike-through button. But don't worry, there's a simple keyboard shortcut. Ctrl+5. So if I select a cell and press Ctrl+5, Excel immediately applies strike-through. I'll select that cell, press Ctrl+5, and it's crossed out. Then I can press Enter to move to the next item and repeat the process. Step 3. Works with text, numbers, and ranges. This shortcut works with text and numbers. For example, if I select a number and press Ctrl+5, Excel strikes it out. It even works with a whole range. I can click and drag to select multiple cells, then press Ctrl+5, and all of them get strike-through at once. Step 4. Important note about calculations. Strike-through is only a formatting effect. The values are still active in your formulas. To show you what I mean, let's do a quick sum. In cell F10, I'll type equals sum open parenthesis, select the range, close parenthesis. That's equals sum open parenthesis, A1 colon, A5 close parenthesis, for example. When I press Enter, Excel still adds up all the numbers in that range, even the ones with strike-through. So strike-through won't exclude values from your totals. It's just a visual cue to help you keep track of progress or mark items as removed. And that's how you apply strike-through in Excel using the Ctrl+5 shortcut. Simple but really useful. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell so you'll get notified when I post new videos.